Hello, welcome to my new tutorial about OnClick event in the button. The output at last of this tutorial I will get just when I click this button 2 clicked, and when I click this button 1 clicked. I will achieve this. Now I will start the tutorial. Now I am going to start the tutorial here. First create a button UI, then button here is placed here. Now just I'll change the text here. I'll write let's click me. Then now I have to introduce OnClick event in this button, and when it is click I'll display something in text box there. So now here create UI, then text there. This is the text. I'll change the color of the text. I'll change the color of the text to white here so that I can see. Now I will make one script, C# script, C# script, then game manager, create empty. I'll make a game object here, game manager, game manager. So now I'll place this script in this game manager and I'll open the script here. This is opening with Visual Studio. It has already opened. Now when I click the button, so I'll make a new function here, public void on button click. I have made a new function on button click. Now when I click the button I need some changes in the text, so I have to assign a text here. So public text, it is not displaying, so I must import here UI using unity engine.ui. now public text my text. When I click that button, then I'll display my text dot text is equal to, I want to display button click and button is clicked in that text, so I've written like this. Now I've completed my function here. Now I will add this function in this event, so I'll first select the button here, button, then go down here, down. Now I'll go down here, down. Where is the down? Look here, OnClick. When I select this button, you'll see OnClick event here. So click this plus. Now here go to scene, and we must select the game object where we have written the code. I have written the code in this game manager, so I'll select the game object game manager here. I have selected this. Now which function I want to call, I must select that. So in that there is a script called as game manager. So I'll select in game manager game object, there is a script game manager, and in that game manager script there is a function on button click. This function is made by myself, so I'll select this. Now I'll save this, and when I play here, and when I click here, some error, object not reference. I have not referred the click the game object, then my text I want to display in this text, so place this here. Now look here, a button is clicked, this is displayed here. Suppose if there are two buttons, I'll introduce another button also here. Now create UI, then button. I'll place this button slightly here. I'll name this is my first button and this is my second button. So for this, to implement on click in this button, I'll make another function also here, public void on one button click. On one button click I have made a new function here, and when I click that function, I want to display my text dot text is equal to button 1 clicked, and when there I want to display button 2 click, so button 2 CLICKED button 2 clicked. Now again do the same thing here, choose this button here, choose this button here, and after that then go to here OnClick event plus. I've written the code in game manager, game object, game manager. In that game manager there is a script called as game manager, and in that game manager script there is a function on one button click. I'll select that. Now when I click this button, it will display button 1 click, and when this, then button 2 click will be displayed there. Now look here, button 1 click, and when I click this, button 2 click, this is displayed here. Now suppose if you want to use the single function for both button when they are clicked, just delete this and pass a parameter here. I'll pass integer a, then when I click the button a, button plus a plus CLICKED clicked, and button comma Control S. Now select this game object, game manager, and in that game manager there is a script game manager, and in that script there is on button clicked here. So when I click this first button, I will pass 1 as a parameter, and when I click this second button, then again select here game manager, and that game manager again same thing, and in that on button clicked I want to pass 1, not 1, I want to pass 2. What it will do is when I click this button, parameter 1 will be go, and when this parameter, the value of a, that will be 2, yeah, 1 and 2 will come here, and accordingly it will display here. So now I want to play this. Now when I click this button, button 2 displayed, and when I click this button, button 1 display. So thank you for this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video if you like it. Thank you.